What's up, guys? This is Kitchen Talk.
Baton Rouge. Sorry.
Man, and this is the season finale for Kitchen Talk Baton Rouge. I'm very proud of them. As you see, D Mitch is running late. As usual, he's running them errands. We're gonna tag and we're gonna have a little fun today. So we just gonna kind of freestyle it. I've actually treated everybody to painting with some water. You know what I'm saying? We was gonna have a twist, but I didn't make it to the store for the wine.
You take the water and you put it in the thing.
You dry, you pat it with the towel. You know.
Yeah, but
so
is it already? These are already in there?
Yeah.
Is paint in there?
No, yeah, and I got extra paint back there too. So we're gonna be chilling. We're gonna just have some conversation for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes or whatever, you know, have a good time. So we got some music playing in the background, copyright free, and if somebody own this, hey, that's their shit. But we gonna chill. So I'm gonna be playing with them for a little while, and then you'll kind of see me kind of reverse off into the back once Mitch get here. But I'm proud of these guys. Congratulations.
These women.
These women.
He's proud of these two right here.
But I'm also proud of the people who have contributed, but you know what I'm saying, we're working on them. Our people on the street, our boy, West Side Creeper, aka Terry the Barber. And you know, we got some more surprises, you know. And my boy Lit Donkey and my boy Mofo Shots for stepping in for some segments. And Nigel C. I appreciate y'all guys, man, for coming through doing special segments with this crew. For this season, and next season will be coming up in August. Y'all ready?
Ready.
Well, let's do a little painting. So right now we're gonna talk a little noise and do a little painting. So let's have some fun.
Well, I guess since, you know, it's kind of relaxed, I'll just start by saying, you know, I'm excited that we actually made a whole season because everybody is always so busy, so it's kind of hard to match schedules. But when you set a time, it's important to uphold that time because everybody is busy. Everybody could be doing whatever they could be doing, you know. So it's kind of important to everybody be on one accord so we can make this thing good and make it better for everybody that's watching and giving us support because people are actually watching and giving us support.
Right. And the thing is, people like to look at the YouTube numbers, but YouTube is actually fairly new to the shows. We get a lot of love from Instagram. We get a lot of love via Twitter, Facebook. So it's actually spreading. You know what I'm saying? People are watching it. If these guys are, we late on the episode. If I'm late producing the episode, we get emails. You know what I'm saying? Like, dude, what's up? You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all coming on tonight or what? So, you know, the love that they've been showing for all the programs under Team 24/7 has been fantastic, and I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much.
Hello.
Yes. But I do want to talk. Let's talk scheduling for a second, because honestly, y'all have a unique. I did something unique with y'all guys. ladies.
What you did? What?
I actually did something unique with y'all.
Yeah, I heard that.
I actually pre-recorded. I pre-recorded the episodes for y'all guys this season. So y'all did a lot of shows like back to back to back to back. Like, did y'all feel that was a lot on y'all, or was it, you know, how do y'all feel about that?
I didn't feel like it went by so fast. I didn't feel like.
Right. I feel like it went by really fast. I feel like since we pre-recorded, it was kind of like we could get a lot done.
Yeah,
while we already
didn't
together.
feel like it was that many.
Right. So
that
it
wasn't taxing
harassing
on me. Yeah, this wasn't taxing on me at all.
Yeah, it wasn't
if this was
harassing.
taxing me, I would have been like, y'all.
No, even when you was going through stuff, you still came. You still came.
Question, don't mind, statement, don't mind if the paint drip on that or not. You can have it leaning because I'm going to repaint this anyway. This is going to be the bar for the new set.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so have fun. Also, this is a fun activity, so if y'all want to do this on y'all free time, man, it is inexpensive. Walmart sell a pack of these for $3, $4. You find your paints, your acrylic paints for 50 cents. Your brushes, you can find for like under $2, $3. And I mean, you could just have a chill time at your house.
Just when you walk in the door, friend, that's why I'm
this is lit.
Listen, let me tell you why I wanted on this inside, y'all. Wait. So I'm done with my paint. We just started.
Oh, but I have other canvases.
So good, because I'm done with the one I want them to put up. Now, let me tell y'all why.
I got some canvases over there.
Okay, let me. Oh, see,
Yeah,
best
bring the other
hostess
one home.
ever, y'all. Let me tell y'all about this. Let me just show it to you. If you can see the light. Okay, listen. Now they said we could pick a wall. This is their home that they have invited us into. They said we could pick a wall. So I chose this Baton Rouge wall, right? Because I felt like when you walk in the door, I can like exude this painting, not too heavy, but with with positivity, and it kind of looked like me because it's pink and green.
Right.
So when you walk in, it's just a woo-saw moment for you to remember to breathe. It can be really light. It can be really airy. And now that you're home and you're done with the outside world.
Thank God.
This is what I want that painting to represent for you guys.
Thank you. I like it.
Okay.
So you can just put it on the chair so it can dry.
It's just simple.
Yeah, we on some Bob Ross stuff.
I want it to look like.
Hey, you gonna hang them up.
Yeah, I know, but that's what I'm saying. Y'all are real painters, so that's why I feel like something
No,
like.
everything. There's no such thing because.
I know, but compared to. You see, y'all have
Is that the neighbor? You down on us?
No.
Oh, they gonna be alright. All the noise and
not
fussing
even
they be doing, they will want to leave me alone. They gonna be shut out his
I don't know
mind
what to
today.
say.
I just feel like y'all are like, real paint. I don't want, because my paintings ain't gonna look as good as your paintings. Y'all
Everybody pay how they feel.
yeah, but y'all paintings look good. Like when I look at y'all's paintings, I'm like, oh, that looks really good. Like I wouldn't give them.
But when I look at them, I think they look good, but I look at them and be like, you look at like you look at yours.
What are some of y'all goals for next season?
Okay, I feel like the setup could be tweaked a little bit. I want us to have our tagline kind of together, even if we're gonna change it every episode, just be prepared. I don't know, I just want us to be a little bit more organized, because I feel like that catapult us to the next place, you know?
Okay. Are y'all excited for December? I mean, not December, the 27th. July the 27th, we're gonna actually have a special show combining both the Baton Rouge show and my New Orleans show. All under one roof. We're gonna have a special sit-down live broadcast after a great comedy show. Are y'all ready for that?
I'm ready for it because I haven't done it in a while, so that's something to do.
And to make it more interesting, it is going to be hosted.
Oh.
The special segment is going to be hosted by. Now the show itself is going to be hosted by Coco Kilo and the Beautiful from the New Orleans show. But the special host for the Kitchen Talk segment will be Coco the Entertainer, which is a Kitchen Talk alum. And she brings a lot of wildness. So are y'all ready to feed her back with some wildness? Yeah.
No.
No.
One mess up and then I'm like, I might as well just take it all over.
But the thing is, you got to embarrass your inner Bob Ross.
But listen, friend, I made that mess up this way.
Break out.
Does not look like it was supposed to be done.
You're right, because it do, because I can't tell them, but to me, mine look like, damn, I messed it up, I might as well.
But you gotta embrace your inner Bob Ross. There's no such thing as mistakes. Only happy accidents.
No such thing as freaking mistakes.
Right. You don't know what you could create beautifully. Half of the
Right.
stuff you make mistakes on.
Yeah.
Right.
This is fun. This goes well. Oh, I'm gonna make it go with my decorum.
Yeah. You gotta just, you
You
paint
got a
with your
plethora of
spirit.
colors and you
No, when I saw these colors, I got so excited.
Thank you.
I got so y'all picked some amazing colors.
And I picked some fresh ones today. Well, the other day.
Oh my god, like that's such a pretty color. I'm over here trying to do different techniques in this bed.
But I've always been a fan of doing stuff like this because it's really the art, the beauty is not how nice it looks, it's how you feel when you look at it.
That's so true. That's true.
And it helps
right,
deal
but I
with
got
your
one in
emotions.
the room, and I love it every time I look at it.
Damn.
I love it every time I look at it. I look at
See,
it to make me happy.
If you
I'm
look
gonna
at
show it to you, friend.
if you look at the T over there on the upper lower right hand side, I actually messed up.
Yeah.
And by me messing up right there, because I was trying to open up the paint and it just splashed, I just went on ahead and made that the background that.
Got you.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It created itself. Sometimes the paint just choose what it want to be. and your mind is already done painted this picture.
Yeah, that's
it's just your hands are moving where your mind is telling it to go. So your mind is giving you something appealing to your eyes. And if you be in a relaxed state, your mind is gonna paint something magnificent.
Straight up. This how we coming. We calling a spade for spade. If you pussy, you just pussy, my nigga. Ain't no other way to look at that. How I look you in your face and call you pussy. How I look you in your face and call you pussy. How I look you in your face and call you pussy. Pussy, nigga, you pussy. Whole pussy ass nigga, what you won't do? 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 Nigga, you ain't know, I'm the voice of the soldier. Fair play, bitch, I work good from the shoulder. Knock 'em out, wake 'em up like a couple folds. Hollin' about you drunk, I'll whoop your ass sober. Go and get your gun, cause my aim game dumb. First you was a gangster, now you wanna run. For my family and kids, bitch, I'm not the one. I'm hollin' west side, still reppin' where I'm from. Sticking to the code, never bend, never fold. Salute the Jack and Neil, just the way we roll. God in my soul, so it can't be sold. Shine on the haters, so they hate me more. What up? I ain't tripping about nobody trying to harm me. Plus I'm by myself, it's a one-man army. Go and get your brother, old pussy ass shit. Fuck you and your brother, old pussy ass bitch. How I look you in your face and call you pussy. How I look you in your face and call you pussy. How I look you in your face and call you pussy. Pussy, nigga, you pussy. Whole pussy ass nigga, what you won't do? 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 Solid heart soldier, dreadlock monster. Bitch, you know the name, it's West Side Chopper. Do my own thing, I let the chrome bang. LA calling on, bitch, I'm in my own lane. Talking about another nigga, you pussy. Plotting against your homeboy, nigga, you pussy. Ratting on a nigga, man, nigga, you pussy. My stroke game 6, so you know I kill pussy. If you kill me, best believe you still pussy. Ain't nothing changed, so I know you feel pussy. Get it through your head, like you better tread. I'm bumping on that rock, you know I ain't scared. Put your hands up, let a nigga know it's dark. Put your hands up, let a nigga know it's dark. Put your hands up, let a nigga know it's dark. Put your hands up, let a nigga know it's dark. Believe how I look you in your face and call you pussy. I know you heard. How I look you in your face and call you pussy. I know you heard. How I look you in your face and call you pussy. I know you heard. Pussy, nigga, you pussy. Whole pussy ass nigga, what you won't do? 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 How I look you in your face and call you pussy. How I look you in your face and call you pussy. How I look you in your face and call you pussy. Pussy, nigga, you pussy. Whole pussy ass nigga, what you won't do? Whole pussy ass nigga, what you won't do? Whole pussy ass nigga, what you won't do? Whole pussy ass nigga, what you won't do?
That's a good little beat though. I'm in the studio painting in the kitchen in there. I got Vic on the side and Coco Kilo in here. Man, I don't know what I'm doing because I'm making mistakes.
Because you already listened to him. That's all you have to say.
I don't even know what I'm painting anymore, but I think I'm about to create something. I made a mistake.
But no, so for our next show, I just want us to be a little bit more together, I guess, like, cause I know we all capable of having having a wow factor and like having like all brought together and having like really polished, cause that's all our real true nature. Yeah. So I feel like, you know, we buckle down and really give it it. You're right. We can do it, you know. So that's how I feel. I feel like we need to go like 100% hard, cause we, you know. we made the tapings and stuff like that. Like since we was doing them pre-taping, it's cool, but like we gotta remember to bring clothes to tape for different stuff.
Or would y'all like me to write out a little outline of just fun things to kind of remind y'all? I could get it done for y'all so y'all don't have to worry about it. I could just give it to y'all. It's helpful. I just, whatever way I can help. There ain't no commanding and stuff. It'll just
I
be
know.
friendly reminders.
I know.
Is this the same size?
I don't want you to think I might turn up in here. I'ma find you, D. Mitch. Where you at? $5. I need $5 too. That's a chicken plate from Popeyes.
That is what happened with that? Well, and I know
For some reason,
it was the buffalo parmesan. That's what I got.
For some reason,
no, I wanted the sandwich. Why every time I go in, they talk about the sandwich ain't in there. So today I told them the woman. That's every time I come in here. I came in here 2-3 times. I'm like, I was like 2-3 times, and every time I want chicken sandwich, y'all don't have it. She was like, girl, they be lying. That might be shit, man. She said, girl, they be lying. They just don't feel like cooking that. Girl, they be lying. So next time they say they ain't got it, tell them you gonna call the store manager. I ain't got time to put Popeyes and looking no damn chicken sandwich. Do your motherfucking job.
That's funny.
shout out to Popeyes.
Shout out to Popeyes.
Cause I ain't even been there yet. You know what I'm saying?
They keep fucking playing me.
But everybody keeps talking about chicken.
I know, and they keep playing me. But how, what else do you have to do to the chicken besides put it in the thing with the other chickens? Why don't you want to make that? What? Because you gotta put some mayonnaise on the thing instead of just put the chicken in the box. Girl, you gotta do your goddamn job.
I feel like me and Popeyes is divorced. Cause I don't even be thinking about Popeyes. Like I be won't go check it out just to see if it's still good. But I be forgetting that I even dealt with Popeyes. Like
You stupid.
I've been trying to be on fruits and vegetables. Shout out to the fruit spread over there too. We got fruit and cheese from places fancy and shit like that.
I know I don't eat no chicken either. He just shamed me out in the streets about this chicken. But that's okay.
That's alright. I still eat chicken. I still fall down.
I'm getting
We fall down.
He's so stupid.
But we get up. I do. I fall sometimes. Sometimes you might still see me eat some Corner Store chicken. I ate some the other day during the storm.
That's trying times.
Just because you're in the house, you're eating.
Yes.
You went there groceries just
everybody was like, I ain't like a pregnant woman.
What is y'all favorite hurricane snack?
It just depends on how I feel at the
does
time.
depend. I love just having a chip around. You know what I'm saying? You can go back and forth in that bag.
Now I did have some square beans.
No, why I wanted to call you until I forgot my square biz today, and I was sad.
Oh girl, because I saw that square beans.
I'm so sad.
So good.
I realized I did not have my square biz.
The Little Debbie.
Oh, the double food cakes?
Yeah, we call them square beans.
I heard that so.
Ariana used to get a box and sing the song. But at the time,
oh Lord.
At the time when she was eating them, I didn't eat that. So one day, Ariana had her bought a whole box. She asked the whole house, would anybody like a square biz? Because my girl was saying it like she was sitting like for real.
Square biz.
So she asked. Everybody was like, no. Okay, I was like, no, friend, I don't eat that. So then another person was like, no, I'm straight. And so I ain't gonna say the person's name. I'll say it off camera. So the person was like, no, I don't eat that. So we was like, okay. So then we get up the next morning and square biz down to like one.
I had one left.
And my friend is like, what happened to square biz? I thought I had one enough.
We'd have been fighting.
Ain't nobody saying nothing. I was like, well, friend, you know, if I don't eat something, I really don't eat it. But somehow I just started eating square biz and I realized I was missing.
Friend.
That's like the only thing I eat from the day. They like an oatmeal pie.
Why would you say you don't eat the square biz? I asked specifically because I wanted to know if anyone else was going to partake.
She was singing a song.
I made a mistake once again.
Like if you're singing a song, what that mean?
You love that shit. If you're singing a song, you're looking forward.
So you've connected the song with the experience.
Yeah.
And because you like the song, it makes you want the cake because you want to be able to sing the song out loud. It happens. I'm a big boy. We have those too. We have those moments. I have big boy singing moments. Especially when I'm cooking. When I'm cooking, I be on some George Clinton stuff. I be They have a video of me floating around on the internet somewhere on Oktoberfest one year. And it's German. But it's like a lot of different German food. So you know the song "Another One Bites the Dust."
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was on that bad boy. Oh, like this here where I was cooking with the spoon, and then I was bigger back then. So I was like boogaloo, breaking, pop locking, and all of that. So
Boogaloo, that one.
yeah, I'm old, girl. I'm old. I'm young, old. I'm young, but I've been around people way older than.
That's why you go ahead and have a baby. I'm not trying to be 60, so I'm out here my 10-year-old.
Hey, you gonna leave Pap alone. My daddy said he didn't care.
Well, he's a man.
My mama obviously didn't care neither.
She cared. She might not have said nothing. But I guarantee you she cared. Y'all act like just because their mama didn't say nothing didn't mean she didn't have feelings.
I keep thinking about certain stuff like having these kids. Mm-hmm. And now, like literally,
What is it?
We're literally like 30 years plus older than our kids.
Yeah.
Our kids gonna be born in 2020,
yes.
right? And so when we say 1980, they're gonna be like, that sounds like it was so long ago. Because that was a whole different century. That wasn't the same digits.
That's when the things that they're playing on was being created, like.
Right, like when I talked to somebody, I mentioned a show or something, and I said, bro, and it was not that long ago, it was like 2000 show. I said, you ain't never seen that show? He said, no, never heard of it. I was like, what? How old are you? He's like 21. And I was like, oh, okay, I get it now.
No, Bryce was talking about something. He was saying his friend did something else, but he had such Dave Chappelle show, and he was like,
he didn't say what, huh?
He was like, I kind of remember he was really young.
No.
So I was like, dang. I was like, if you ever got time, just check out a couple of clips because the stuff is really still relevant from what he was saying on the show.
Oh, I mentioned Major Payne. I said, you ain't never seen Major Payne? He's like, no. I'm like, come on, bro, you had to see Major Payne. No. I don't think we ever watched that before. I was like, wow. Where your family come from?
Y'all got a good array of brushes too. I'm very thankful, you guys.
Thank you.
Because this is great. This is great.
I know you're gonna cut some stuff, right? Because you can cut this. Cut you for this clip.
Yeah.
Well, I try to grab this fruit juice.
Anyway. Well, guys, we're gonna be back. I hope y'all enjoy this. Let me see what we got so far.
Yeah. Okay.
I like it.
Yeah.
I like the colors in my girl head.
Anyway, we'll be back. Y'all check out this musical break. Peace.
10 minutes or less.
Consider this an invitation to my gangster nation.
Hello, America. I'm Buddy Shuffman, and this is Shuffman Peace Theater.
both of them.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Kitchen Talk.
Baton Rouge.
It's your girl, Vic Stay Winning.
Coco Kilo.
And I'm saying this part because our introduction may not have been as clear, so you also have to introduction if you needed it.
Okay.
But yeah, so this was our wrap up of the season.
Woo-hoo.
It was a paint and eat cheese and be fancy.
Yeah, it's fancy. My taste buds have been elevated.
Yeah, so we wanted to end on a fancy note so y'all know when we come back, we're coming back even fancier.
Yes.
So be ready for
hair
new
flip.
stuff. Yes, hair flip. All day.
All day.
So be ready for new stuff. We might have more fashion on the show.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay, we're bring a little fashion into the show. We're gonna bring a little bit more. I don't know. There's gonna be a couple of different structures into the show. I don't know. We're gonna just make it polished.
Yeah,
Make it like, make it that good.
Because it is that bad.
Yeah. So we're gonna make it like that. So we just want y'all to stay tuned. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. We'll be back next season. Start between at the end of August and beginning of September. What season is that? Virgo season? Virgo.
Oh wait, is it? Wait. Oh yeah, September. Yeah.
We'll be starting in Virgo
August and wait. August and September, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, that is Virgo season.
Yeah, September Kitchen Talk going hard, folks. That's all I'm saying. We celebrating 2 years, no, 3 years.
That's what's up.
Yes, we'll be 2 years in Baton in New Orleans, which will be 3 years altogether for the show coming up.
That's what's
Yes.
up.
And Baton Rouge will be into our second season, so we just wrapping it up. Thank you.
Yes, thank y'all so much.
Oh, my girl Coco got some things going on.
Oh,
Yes. Say y'all out.
Yes. So be on the lookout. I have created a workbook. I have been, I have assisted in creating a workbook with my spirit guide, so it might sound really weird, but I don't want to take like all the credit. But a workbook has been created under the LLC Ariel Charlie Sharon, ACS LLC for short. I don't really know how to review this because I didn't prepare, so. Okay, but anyways, so be looking out for the workbook. It is basically just some questions to kind of get you thinking about your past, thinking about, the first person that you liked and what did that mean to you, and like where certain things may come from and trigger. So definitely check it out. Yeah.
Yeah, but look, let me do this for her. My girl being modest in these streets. Okay, my girl have a lot of things going on right now. Okay, you need to really check out on Twitter. What's your Twitter?
Yes, at ARIELCSHERRON. RELC Sharon. That's a lot.
Follow her on Twitter. That's where you can find out a lot about the stuff that she got going on, a lot of the personal stuff that she got going on. She got a lot of amazing stuff that she got going on that she's just being modest about, but she's working on a lot of stuff in the background, so you need to check her out. Just follow her on Twitter, because that's where my girl got all the info.
All of it.
All of it. So tell them what is that again?
That's RELC Sharon on Twitter. It's ARIELCSHERRON.
Good job. So my girl got some things to look out for. I'm your girl, Big Stay Winning. I'm always winning, so you're going to just find me where you find me.
Always.
I got some things in the work, but no, my girl really been working. I've been like getting ready to work. She's been working. So while she's been working, we got to promote her work.
I appreciate it.
So follow her on Twitter and, support her. She got some good movements going on, and a lot of people need to be introspective, so it helps you work on new relationships, a new you, better vibes.
Friend, but you have inspired me, friend. You have inspired me, friend. Really growing, like things are popping, like things are going. Decisions are being made. Yes, we just hype each other up.
Yeah,
that's what we do. We had to hype each other up.
But yeah, so check my girl out on Twitter for real and keep up with her and just see what she got going on. I promise you, follow her. It would not be a waste of a follow. And that's the end of